Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be talking all about the KC Cover Keeper bag. I'm Jacob, let's dive right in. Starting from the outside, working our way in. On the sides, you're gonna have two nice side pouches. Use it to hold whatever you want, koozies or whatever. On the front, you're gonna have a nice, check this out, a nice Velcro patch to put whatever patches you want. Boom. And then on the back, you're gonna have the whole MOLLE system. So you can use this to attach other things to it. You can use this to attach to MOLLE panels within your vehicle or wherever you want. Super nice feature. Okay, spinning it around, let's go ahead and dive right into the inside. Opening it on up, we have the YKK zippers all the way around. There we go. First thing you see when you flip this thing up is gonna be this zipper, separator, organizer. This is a good place to store some extra tools. I have the KC bolt tool in here. Use it to take off all your covers. You can throw whatever the heck you want in here and it'll stay nice and secured in there. Looking on inside the bag, let's first go ahead and show you some of the stuff you can put in the bag. So inside of this is going to be, let me move this up real quick, 1 second. Okay, so working our way inside the bag after you clear out all the stuff inside of it. This is set up similar to a camera bag. So it has Velcro lining all the way around with padded dividers. And you can use this to configure it however you want to set it up. I currently have it set up to hold some Pro 6 covers along with some gigantic Slimline 8 covers. Fits perfectly. So I was able, as you saw, to fit all those in there with a little bit of extra room too. These are made to hold any KC cover you can imagine. So anything from the big, huge Slimline 8s to the little FlexAir 1s to the FlexAir bar if you really wanted to. There's a lot of configuration you can do with this to set up whatever covers you want. But the coolest part about this, in my opinion, is that it doesn't have to be for covers. You can use this as like a medical supply bag. You can use this as a tool bag. However you want to set it up, you can configure it how you want to set it up. So in my dream scenario, I would actually use the back for some Pro 6 covers or for some FlexAir covers. In the front, I would throw some extra tools, whether it's tools to help you disassemble a light bar, whatever. Keep them in here, keep it in your truck, and keep everything in there. So that is the KC Cover Keeper bag. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.